told you not to mustache this time. Oh, hello. Welcome to the Tales from the Grave of Big Howl. I am the spooky sayer. The only spooky sayer. There are no others. Tonight's tale will terrify you, disturb you. It will make you question, did my mommy ever love me? Probably not. Tell the tale. Tell the tale. Tell the tale.
Okay, Melchizedek, after years of a sacrifice and selfless toiling away here in my Alchemist lair, I have perfected the formula to bring forth the most powerful Archangel Michael to do our bidding. Oh, you want a treat? You want a treat? Yeah. Down. Sit. Speak.
Yep, yep, yep.
No, you are too fat. No treat for you. Yeah. But a treat for me for being such a good alchemist. You are too much of a fatty. Okay, time to call forth Archangel Michael. Okay, here we go. No snacks for you, fatty. You're too fat. Okay, the ritual. Bobbity 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 doodle stickles, noodles. What gives? Nothing? No Archangel? Why did the Whoa, look at all of this stuff. Who hath summoned me forth to the physical plane? Whoa! Holy bits and bobs right out of my pants! What? Oh, great Archangel Michael! Tony! What? I'm the great Archangel Tony! Michael is not here! He had movie tickets! Well, great Archangel Tony, I am but a humble alchemist who has dedicated my life to the ultimate pursuit of higher knowledge. I have turned lead into gold. I have extended my life and the lives of others. I have even seen through the veil to the other side. But summoning you forth is my greatest achievement, and for it I have but one purpose. What? I'm getting to it. Well, get to it. Okay, sheesh. Okay, I want you to give me really cool ripped forearms and a totally hot six-pack of abs. Yeah. Abs. I want muscly forearms, all veiny, and a pack of abs like slabbed hot dogs glistening in the sun. You transcended space and time to ask for abs. And real skinny calves. You want skinny calves? Yeah. I want people to look at my thick puppy arm pythons and abs, and then look at my sickly skinny calves and be like, wow, now that's dedication to the upper body. He don't even care about calves. Go to the gym. No, that's not my thing. I don't like public spaces. But you want to get hunked up. Oh, yeah, hunked way up, chunky chunkers. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Why not? Archangel rule. We can't give people big muscles. Yeah, God doesn't like it. Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, God don't like that. Well, what about if you made a Melchizedek here less fat? No, don't body shame your pet. Come on. Okay. Can you trade my energy with Melchizedek's? I want his exuberant youth. And I want him to be an old fart like me. You wanna switch your youth and vitality with this little fur ball here? Yeah, I have decided that is what I want. Okie dokie, pokey smoky. Boom! You switched. Oh no, he made me a little old baby. Oh no, Melchizedek! Oh no, he made you a big old man!
Yep, yep.
Oh no, no, don't eat me, you big old fatty! No!
Yep. Yep, yep, yep.
Melchizedek, you big fatty!
If I was right, and you were terrified, horrified, and that your mommy never loved you, please like and subscribe. And please join us next time from Tales from the Grave of Big House!
Rolling. Okay.
Rolling on a river.